So guys, today is the winter storm for NYC. It is very crazy. I mean, like, my mom's car is full of snow. And please make sure you have milk, because if you go in those stores, there ain't no milk in there. And please promise me you're safe. Please. And alert, do not go on the streets right now until winter storm is over. Please, and making sure you're gonna be safe. And yeah, the snowplow will come and shovel the rest of the snow out. And yeah, bye guys, see you tomorrow. And make sure to stay safe. Please stay safe. I know you will. And God's got you, by the way. Bye. See you later. Bye-bye.